Yeah, no, I heard about that. That's messed up, man. What all did they get? Does your insurance cover it? What do you mean no insurance? You gotta get insurance, dude. Yeah, alright. Well, let me let you go. And I'll call you back a little bit later. Good luck with it, though. Alright, bye. Oh, man, what the f***, internet? How does he not have insurance? Alright. Let me lay it out for you. My buddy went out to do a shoot, okay? And he had his gear out with him in the car. And he took his camera and he went and shot a model at a specific location. Everything was fine and dandy. But when he got back to his car wasn't all there. There was particularly a window missing, as well as a lot of his gear. Do you know how easy it is to put $5,000 worth of gear into one bag? You've got a 12 to 24, a 24 to 70, fisheye if you're feeling frisky, whatever camera body you have and your peripherals, that's easily $5 grand right there. I asked him, does his insurance cover it? And he's like,
nope, didn't have insurance.
How do you not have insurance, man? Why? Look, I've got insurance on my phone. I can break it, fall in the lake with it, gets replaced. How do you like that? Free phone. Well, not free. You got to pay monthly, but it's not much, and there's no deductible. No, you need to get insurance on your gear. If you don't, if something goes wrong, you're screwed. Now, I'm not directing this to anybody who has their own business, or someone that runs their own business, or uses photography as a business. Things are going to differ when you have a business. Hopefully, you would already know this. If not, you need to look into it. I'm specifically talking to people in the learning process or just hobbyists. Let's say you want to insure your gear. You have to add a valuable property clause. $10 a month gives you, 10 grand coverage. The coverage I have, no deductible. If something happens, I just let them know and they replace it. I don't have to pay. No problems. If your car gets broken into while you're on a shoot, or something happens, or your house gets broken into, or you drop your camera, or your camera gets wet, or it just stops working for some reason, you're covered. No deductible. Free camera. So some of you might be thinking, insurance is a bit more than I can afford. I got in touch with a couple of companies trying to see how much it would cost for a 26-year-old male to get valuable property coverage in Texas. One of them being Allstate, one of them being USAA, and the other one being Alaska USA. Now, when talking to an insurance company, the things they're going to check are your driving record, your credit history, as well as your insurance history. Now, if you want to know what they check on you, you can actually request it and they'll send you a copy. Speaking to USAA, their coverage is going to be roughly $29 for their insurance on the renters, as well as the valuable property. Allstate gave me a quote for about $27.73. This is for their valuable property and their renter's insurance. Now, when I called and spoke to Alaska USA, I got some confused responses and was told they cannot give me a quote because I don't live in Alaska. Let's say I'm out on location. I'm shooting with my D300 right here, and I've got the battery grip on it and a 35mm lens. I don't know what they go for now, but when I picked it up, it was about $1,500 or so. So this, let's just say $1,500 now with the lens and the battery grip, right? I'm out shooting on location, so the hits, whoa, I dropped the camera. Out of pocket, completely screwed. Can't do anything about it, except for I have insurance. I don't have to wait till I have another $1,500 to spend. I call up my insurance company, say, hey, I kind of screwed up. They file a claim, it gets fixed. Now, if you break a lot of stuff or you need a lot of things replaced, your rate might go up, but at least you'll have a working camera. So what do you do if your bag gets stolen? How long is it going to take you to get an extra $5 grand to go buy your gear back? Stop sucking. I had to burp.